In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make style changes in Squarespace. Whether you're refreshing your site's appearance or doing a complete overhaul, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. First things first, we need to access Squarespace, so go ahead and open it up in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't logged in yet, simply enter your credentials on the login page and proceed. Once you're in, you should find yourself on your home page. Now, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Click on it. This will bring up a list of all the websites associated with your account. From this list, it's important to select the correct website that you wish to modify. Perhaps you have multiple sites, so take a moment to ensure you're picking the right one. Once you've selected your website, look for the Edit button, which will allow you to begin making changes. After clicking Edit, you'll be brought to the editing interface. This is your workspace for shaping the appearance of your site and ensuring it aligns with your vision. On the left side of this editing screen, there's an option labeled Site Styles. Click on this to open the comprehensive customization menu. This is your control center for making style changes. It houses a variety of tools and options for crafting a distinct look that resonates with your brand or personal style. One of the first areas you might want to explore is themes. Here, you can browse through different preset styles that can instantly change the look of your site. These themes are a great starting point if you need some inspiration or want a quick makeover. Fonts are another significant aspect of your site's style. Under Site Styles, you'll find an option that lets you edit fonts. Adjusting the typography is an excellent way to enhance readability, convey a certain mood, or align with your brand identity. Color is equally important in defining the look and feel of your website. You can change colors to match your branding or to create a particular atmosphere. Whether you want a calm, cool palette or vibrant, eye-catching hues, this is where the magic happens. As you explore these features, you'll notice there are many more options for customizing your site's style. Take some time to experiment and familiarize yourself with all the available tools. Don't hesitate to try out different combinations until you find the perfect style that represents your website. Once you're satisfied with your changes, remember to save everything before exiting. This ensures that all your hard work is secure and reflected on your live site. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating a stunning and personalized website that stands out.